In this video, we're going to quickly go over how to set up a preset package. So first, what do I mean by a preset package? So we'll come to our menu here. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this Chef's Choice preset package. You'll see as soon as I hit select, it's already added meals into my cart for me. So a preset package is literally one where you're choosing the meals for the customer. So to set this up, we'll go to menu, add new, and package. And I'll call this test preset. And the description, you can make it anything you want. And for the price, I'm just going to make this $50. And I'm going to add it to my weekly packages category. Now, for preset packages, we're going to actually add the items that come with it from the items tab. So I'll just quickly come through here and I'm just going to check off a bunch of meals that I automatically want to come with this package. Now, let's take this one step further. And let's say that we want to offer different sizes for this package, right? So maybe the first size would be a 5-meal package, and the second size will be a 10-meal package. First, I just want to make sure that I selected 5 meals here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Remember, that's under the Items tab. And then back on Variations, for the 10-meal package, we're going to set those meals from this Select button here. And now I'm going to come through here, and I have the option. I could either select 5 meals and give them a quantity of 2, right? Or I could just select 10 separate meals. And make sure I'm going to click Save Items and click back. And now I could just click OK. Now I'm going to come back to my orders page and refresh. I always recommend refreshing the page just to make sure whatever changes you made are going to display. And I'm going to click Create Manual Order. Now you see here's our test preset. When I hit select, I have both options here appearing, 5-meal package and 10-meal package. And depending on which one I select, that will be added into the cart on the right-hand side with the meals that I selected.